there's like literally a tornado in Roblox right now. Like usually, I'm just like trying to like, I don't know if it's tornado though. So, it's flying around us. So there's a tornado in here. I don't want it to be annoying everybody. Whoa. That just went flying. I'm just gonna call. I don't have to wait for long. Okay, I got the Dominator 3. This is like the best at all. Oh, right there. Right there. Oh my gosh, this is really not good. Really not good. See, right there. Right there. Tornado. That's a tornado. That's a tornado. Run into this driveway. There it is. Right there. That is a tornado. What the heck? We get lifted up, bro. There we go. Oh my gosh. That's the tornado right there. Funnel right there. That's a huge one. That's a big one. My head towards me, so I'm gonna get the deploys down. So this is massive. That's a massive one. That's a huge one. So that is a massive one that just touched down near us. If the tornado just like literally like goes, just like sucks me up into the air, flies around, like usually in like literally it's so crazy right now. That was a crazy one. They get the boys up so we don't have to. So we don't. Dude, I think we have to turn at this. Turn. Right over there. Right there. Huge, massive tornado there. I think that's an ef3. Stop. Hold on. Forward, right. That's all. Yeah, like usually wedges, ropes, other stuff like a steam devil, water spout. You can't forget about the water spout too. The demo is so crazy. It's just like, whoop. Oh, so you do like, guys, I think this is like a rope. I think this is a rope. Guys, if you're in the path with this in Roblox, you have to get on the ground or get in the bathroom. Like, that's the safest place that you can go during a tornado warning. Turn back into the town, because I think we have to stop here because we don't want to get sucked up by the tornado right there. So it's just destroy the farm. I hope the cows doesn't get sucked up by there's cows at the farms. Literally, like, cows are there. Hold on, guys. Right there. Oh my gosh. Violent tornado. That's a violent one. Yeah, that's a violent. Right there. Let's get the deploy down. Oh no. Here, I'm gonna end my chase. I'm gonna end the chase real quick, cause before. Oh no. Hold on, guys. Kidding me? But I just got thrown off there. Kidding me? I'm gonna respawn, guys. I'll just respawn. Yeah, I'm back from here. Ooh. Oh, this is from the Twister. That's from Twister. Yeah. How's it in the movie? And that's also from Twisters too. That's a cool movie. I just watched that movie before. My half right now. Where do you go? You have to step on here to teleport. I didn't see him spinning. Like hilarious. That's just like, that was like so great. Move it across the ground right there. Dirt right there. Dirt right there. I think that's a land spout. Yep. Clouds. Yep, we gotta go. That's a tornado. That's definitely a tornado right there. That's definitely a tornado. Yeah, that's definitely a tornado, guys. I think that's a tornado. With dirt gets lifted up from the tornado. Oh, how did they have the car in this game from the movie Twisters? How did they have that? So we are turning. Cross the road right in front of us. Cross the road right in front of us. But this is not cross the road right in front of us. That is a violent tornado, guys. Violent one. I just got down the poise. Oh my gosh. Oh, there's are like 2 people. No, it's just one. Just one. Alright, guys. Yep, that's a tornado. That's a tornado right there. That's a tornado. That's a tornado. Tornado. I think that's the second one that just touched on. The one vanished. Yep, that's a tornado. That's a tornado. What if a tornado like spawn right? What if that tornado just spawn right here and up to the sky? Up to the sky and I was like right here and I did get sucked up and I had to do anything. See? That is a violent tornado there. Look at that monster. Hold on, guys. Oh, but the tornado's heading towards us. Guys, I have my camera in the car, so when it gets sucked up, it's on the mount. It's on a strong mount that just keeps it right there. Oh my gosh, that car just got lifted. I had the bestest car in the world. Like, it's from the Twister movie. I don't know. Just to pull it lays out. Hit me. I did just like, sorry, like, just got this. Why? Oh my gosh! Right there! We're in it! We have a wheel on the back so it can get sucked up. It's like it's sucked. My wheel did get sucked up because you don't have to get out. It's the straps come off and it just gets sucked. Right there. Oh my gosh, that's a massive one. You gotta be kidding me. You gotta be kidding me right now. Oh my gosh. Holy cow. Holy cow. Debris. We're gonna lose our windows. No, it's bullet proof. It's bullet proof. It's strong. Like, that's a strong wind shield. So you do. That tornado. I think that car's gonna get lifted in the air. That's like, I hope for the best. Oh my gosh! That's a big one. Guys, I think this is like a steam one. I think it's Steam Devil, so it doesn't form, it forms in, well, usually Steam Devil forms in Mexico, that of the hot ocean in Mexico. And it's, but water's about formed in ocean, like Florida and others in South Carolina, like other stuff. That car just almost got lifted. We're sitting under that steam. We're sitting under that wedge. There's no way. I had something attached to my car that just blew off, and there's it just. I hope for the best, guys. Thank you for giving me so much likes, so much. Just like the video, like the video. You have to like the video, guys. If that deserved a like, and I don't know, like guys, like that was like a violent tornado. Just what is it? That was the best. See, it's right over there now. It's right over there. See, like literally right over there. I just wanted to show you that tornado that just happened in Oklahoma before. It's in Oklahoma right now. We live in I used to live in, I live in usually like, so I used to live in Greensburg, Kansas, but I live in Oklahoma now. Actually, I live in Lincoln, Nebraska. Actually, we just went storm chasing in Lincoln, Nebraska. That was my old hometown. Because usually I just went there. Oh my gosh, my. Okay, I just wanted to show you that tornado.